Hey guys, what's going on? So I wanted to talk about a few things today. One of them being possible car, but we'll get to that later. But first, I might as well start off with a new Need for Speed Heat, Miami Heat, Vice City, Need for Speed Vice City, Hotline Miami. Yeah, that's kind of what it gave me vibes of, or at least the cover photos with their pink colors and all the neon stuff. Pretty awesome. Obviously, I was excited. Everyone, for some reason, everyone thinks I hate Need for Speed because I gave up or got rid of the M3. That's not the case. I still like it a lot. It's just there hasn't. I didn't even play Payback, which doesn't really give me a lot of stuff to criticize on. But honestly, I played 15 because I thought the modifications were so sick, and I immediately got it. And then I hated the gameplay. That's the thing. I think all of these Need for Speed games and new ones, the modifications are awesome. Like seriously, they have so many real world companies that I could tell these wide body kits, these wings, these lips, wheels, brakes, random pieces that I know. Like if you know the chassis of the car, it's cool with the modifications. But the thing about all these games is the gameplay is kind of, I don't know, like it's that whole brake to drift thing. Yeah, kind of annoying. I liked it in Hot Pursuit because it was perfect. Just dropped my phone. I loved it in Hot Pursuit because it was just perfect. I don't know, the whole brake to drift thing was just right, where the cars that were going insanely fast and were grippy would grip through the corner. But that's the thing, the grip wasn't realistically done, I guess. But in Need for Speed Heat, I read all the commentating notes and all that stuff and what they're getting rid of and stuff. And I love that they're going to be doing the whole you win a race, you win a part for your car, which is awesome because that's exactly how Need for Speed Carbon was, which I just think that's cool because you don't have to do any. That's basically how Most Wanted 2012 was as well. You have a car and you just win races, and based on first, second, third place, first gets you the best part, second gets you the mid tier part, third gets you the low end tier part, and then anything else doesn't get you a part. But I think that's really cool. And main point is the Pro Street resemblance. I like how they mentioned that they said that the cops are going to be a little bit casual during the day. It seems like during the day is more legal street racing, but there does seem to be illegal street racing during the day as well in some of the clips. But the legal ones, where they're showing them lined up in a grid during the day, that's so cool because the thing that I hated about 15 was the nighttime looked so cool, but it sucked because there was no daytime. There was just kind of almost sunrise. And that's the thing, is if they can have both elements of this dark, gritty, crazy cops, illegal stuff, nighttime vibe, and then they have a legal Pro Street vibe during the day, I think that's the best of both worlds with that stuff. Because Pro Street wasn't a bad game by any means. It's just in some aspects it was a little bit boring and tedious, and it felt very repetitive. But it was still just a very cool game. I personally really liked it just because of the cars they had in it and the modifications as well. But as I was saying, they mentioned that the cops are casual during the day, and during the night they're a lot more aggressive. And I forgot what it was, but some kind of police division comes out at night, which I assume entails to the fake white cross guy that yells at you with all the memes of right now and stuff like that. So that's kind of cool because it's oh crap, I guess there's more risk and reward at night to get cars and parts, but I guess hopefully the cop chases are actually going to be hard because it'd be really cool to go back to the days where cop chases were actually hard and regretful. Crap, what the hell did I do? Also, I assume the heat level, something that would be heat level 1 or 2 during the day would be level 3 or 4 during the night instantly. So that's also what I'm assuming, but I don't have too much to talk about with the game just because I'm not an insane gamer anymore. I work 40, 50 hours a week. I just don't really have that much time to play video games anymore. But I have been grinding. I've been picking up a lot of shifts, and I'm really happy today. I don't know if you guys can tell me. I'm trying to be a little bit more positive, but I'm really happy. 2 days ago, I finally locked in the car that I really didn't think I was going to get at all. Sadly, it does mean the S2000 is most likely going to be for sale. Was not expecting this at all. With the M3, I kind of knew every other month I was kind of oh, maybe I should sell it, maybe I should keep it. No, I was full on finishing the S2000. And then I was just I want to get into these cars, but too much blah, blah. I'm not going to say too much, but 2 days ago I put a deposit, and yesterday I put a lot more money, which. So the deposit I put is almost at the value of what I put my S2000, but it's only a mere fraction to what the actual car costs. So we are definitely leveling up hard. And I don't mean that in a cocky way at all. I'm trying to put this into scale. Best thing I could tell you is it's from Need for Speed Carbon. I told that to a few people and they started naming every single car they could find in Carbon. It's not so much of just a car that appears in Carbon. It's actually I'm sure it's in a lot of the Need for Speeds. Quite honestly, it's definitely in Hot Pursuit. I know that for a fact. But it's a car that appears in all of like the new Need for Speeds. But the thing is, it is. If I mention car, like if I were to show you this car right now, immediately everyone would say, "Oh, this is this character's car." So that's all I'm really gonna say. Feel free to guess in the comments, but basically, it's in Dallas, Texas. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona. That is 2 states to the left of Texas. So I'm flying out. I'm booking flights actually right now, and a U-Haul to trailer it. It's not broken, I swear. It works. It comes with a lot of body panels and parts and stuff like that, and it needs a teensy-weensy amount of body work. So it's not totaled or crashed or anything like that. It's not like, oh, I'm rebuilding this or whatever. I bought a totaled I bought a totaled dog and I'm gonna repair it. But it's an awesome car. Insane deal. Probably the cheapest in the world for what it has, the miles, the clean title, the modifications it has, the body stuff it comes with. Definitely cheapest in America. Most likely cheapest deal in the world. I would not be surprised. So before I blab more, booking flights right now, I found cheap Spirit flights to Dallas. They're like $80 So that's going to happen on Wednesday. I'm working for the rest of the week. I'm off actually Saturday, but basically I'm working until Wednesday, and I'm off Wednesday and Thursday. So Tuesday night, no, I'm working 11 hours-ish on Tuesday, and I get off at 8 p.m. Rachel's going to drop me off to the airport around midnight, and my flight's at 12:30 a.m., so it's Wednesday morning, and it's a 2.5-hour flight, but Texas is, I think, 2 hours ahead, so I'm arriving there at 5:20 a.m., renting a U-Haul pickup truck, renting a U-Haul trailer, not a Dahlia car trailer, and and then I have a 15-hour drive home that I'm doing in one stop because I'm not paying for a hotel, and the U-Haul rental is already going to be like $500 for the 1,000 miles in one day, nonstop, besides for gas. And this is crazy. Normally, I would say stick to my Instagram to check for updates because whenever I get a car, I always post it first on Instagram just because it's so much easier to take a picture of a car, post it, then record stuff, edit, upload, or render, and then upload. But I promise this, guys, YouTube is getting the first exclusive look. So you guys that are always supporting me, 100% you guys are getting everything first. I promise. I'll probably post it the next day or in 2 days onto my other social media stuff. But it's really cool. I'm taking you guys along with me to this. A friend might come with me just to make this trip more, I don't know, less lonely. Rachel's staying home with the dogs because, they can't go 15. It's actually more than that. It's like 24 hours, without them being given food or water. So I am going by myself or with my friend, but it's a 15-hour drive. And, I'm super excited. I really hope this helps me get back into, like, not that I don't love cars. I love cars. I love my Honda. I really do. It's seriously a good, reliable car. Like, that thing is not giving me any issues, except my splitter's dragging right now that I have to fix. Side note. But, like, seriously, really excited. I wish I could tell you, but, like, I literally only, like, my closest friends really know, and that's it. And the first sale post got, like, 1,800 plus shares. And, it went really viral, which is kind of annoying because I guess everyone's going to know what car I bought and how much I paid for it, either although I'm going to tell you guys how much I paid anyway. But really excited. This is a whole different tier. This is like going from tier 1 to tier 3 in cars, literally. And I'm just really excited. And there's a very good chance we will 100% be doing SEMA with this car too, which is even cooler. That's awesome. That's all I really had to tell you guys. This is kind of lining up really well. I do not know if this is going to be a Need for Speed project before I continue. So when I get this car, and if I don't do exactly Need for Speed stuff, I don't want you guys saying, "Oh, you said you were going to do Need." I'm just saying this is related to Need for Speed Carbon, and you guys are all going to think that. But it doesn't mean 100% I'm going to be copying that character's car. I still have not chosen. It depends how everything goes and stuff. It's a fairly simple design to copy. Actually, it's a lot simpler than the Need for Speed Most Wanted or M3 design. But that's really it. Before I keep talking and give away even more information. So thank you so much for supporting me, and hopefully you guys are really excited because this is gonna be crazy.